Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste and Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Alright guys, as you all have already read the title, today's video is gonna be about what's in my travel bag. I'm going on a vacation. In fact, we are going on a vacation. The vacation vlog is gonna come up very soon. Obviously after we start our vacation and come back home. For now, I was doing my packing, so I thought why not show you guys the quick essentials that you should be carrying in your travel bag. I've also unpacked my entire backpack and I'm just carrying the few essentials that I would be needing. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So for now, that's the mess that I've created. So I have random things, like I have a duffel bag, I have pants, tops, there are some cables, some random stuff, toiletries and Anwar Jan's clothes. So we'll quickly go and do the packing. Okay, so I have this organizer. In fact, I usually pack all my stuff in the organizers, but now I'm just carrying this one tiny organizer for my lingerie. And then I have one workout pants just in case if I get to work out, hopefully if I would. And then I have some high waist pants, then high waist palazzo, there's a black pant and also a jangri style pant. So I'd be carrying these different pants. And then along with that, so basically I don't have any travel friendly outfits here. They're all at my mom's place. So now because it is a sudden plan, so I'm going to carry some crop tops. Like there are 1 2 3 4 5 crop tops. So there's another top right here. And then I would be carrying a dress along with this. And I also have another dress kept right here. So I'm carrying all these dresses. So I would be carrying all these. And then I have some random t-shirts and pants so that I can use it for my nightwear. I won't be carrying any specific nightwears for now. So just in case if I would need, that's about my outfits, my lingerie. And then I would be carrying a pouch like so for all my chargers. So here's a travel adapter. It's a universal adapter just in case if I would need. And there's a power bank right here. And coming to my gadgets, so I'm going to carry two chargers, two iWatch chargers, because all of us use iWatch, so I thought I should carry two of them. And then there's I don't know what is this pin called. So basically I have two of this pin's charger. This is for my GoPro and mic. And then I have my camera pouch in which I have my camera charger and extra battery, extra memory card and all of those. There's a wire mic that I would be carrying and also a GoPro. Focus. Yeah, so I would also be carrying a GoPro. Ignore the tape marks, guys. That is because of the cookery episodes. So I usually stick my GoPro to the chimney while we are doing the cookery episodes, and that's how it's all become dirty here. I haven't cleaned it yet. Anyway, this is about my gadgets. I of course need to add my phone's charger to this, and I'll be done. And moving on, I would also be carrying my ring light. Along with it, I have my selfie stick, which I've put for charge. The selfie stick the tripod, just in case if I would wish to click some pictures in my phone. So now let's quickly do the packing. I'll fix you guys somewhere and make this a fast forward video. So now I totally forgot to mention that I carry two different our own face towels, one for Anwar Jan and one for me. Make sure you always use a separate towel for your face and carry your own face towel. Also guys, there's another essential that we would need is a pouch full of sanitary. So I'm carrying some sanitary pads, some tampon and also some panty liners. So I'm carrying it in this cute pouch. And this also is going to go in this duffel bags. You could now ask me why am I carrying duffel bag instead of hard case or a suitcase, because one, you can just dump this anywhere and everywhere, and these are all normal clothes, so it's totally fine. Now for makeup, I'm carrying like the basic stuff. I'm just carrying two concealers. One is one concealer by PAC, the other one is Age Rewind by Maybelline. And then for compact, I'm carrying PAC's Studio Light Compact in the shade 06 beige. And then of course I cannot do without the highlighter, so there's PAX highlighter. And then for contouring I have Maybelline's Master Contour. And for blush I have Body Shop's Honey Bronze. And then eyeshadow pencil from K Beauty, mascara by K Beauty, and this lipstick I've already spoken about, Sugar's lipstick. And then there's one new lip pencil or lip crayon by K Beauty. Again, it's the VRs. There's a pink shade from Lakme, orange shade from Lakme, and then I have Nykaa's brow palette. So this is all that I'm carrying for my makeup. And of course I'm carrying my Bioderma to cleanse my face. And then I have some cotton wipes right here, along with my all-time favorite vitamin C toner by Mamaearth. So these are the things that I would be carrying. And of course the sunscreen by Dermaco, this is also something I'm carrying. And also I might start charming anytime soon, and there are some breakouts on my face, so this is something that I'm carrying for my active acne, again by Dermaco. Yeah, so these are the products that I would be carrying. So I'll quickly finish my packing and see you guys. And next in my backpack I have some hair ties kept right here. So I have a bunch of hair ties in case if I lose any. And then I have a box full of long and elaichi. And then I have a hand cream, my Tide pen, and then I'm also carrying 2 pairs of shades just for me. And then I'm gonna also carry a face mask by Mamaearth. And then this is a face scrub, the Cocoa face scrub, and I'm carrying some mint. And then this is a light that I'm carrying, a tiny light. Then I have a travel size mirror. These are some filters for my face mask. And this is the face mask that I'm using. This is from Pure Breeze. I've already spoken about this in 2-3 videos of mine. And another important thing that I'm carrying is a toilet sanitizer. Then there's a tweezer, there's a blotting paper, and then there's a pain relief roller, some safety pins of course, and then my GoPro would be going in my bag. Then then I have my card holder, and of course my Canon's pouch. So all this is going in my backpack. And I also have some toiletries, random toiletries kept here. So I have my hairbrush, our toothbrush, toothpaste, and a razor. There's a conditioner, and then our regular shampoo, conditioner, and hair cream, and all of those in the travel size packs. And of course there's a perfume, and there's fragrance oil kept right here. So these are the things that would be going in Anwar Jan's duffel bag. So I'll quickly finish my packing and see you guys in some time. Alright guys, so finally I'm done with my packing. So these are the things that I would be carrying. So I have my light, there are 2 duffel bags that I showed you guys, and also my backpack right here. And then here I have my travel pillow. So this is also something I would be carrying. I didn't show you guys this one. So that's it. These are the things that I'm carrying. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this was informative. At least 1 or 2 things that you guys might not be carrying and you guys thought this helped you, or this video helped you. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I think I already told this. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next. Lots of love.